Good morning, everyone. Well, a good chance of rain today in Wisconsin with activity ahead and along a cold front. Now, the driest part of the day is actually going to be early this morning. Now, I can't rule out a couple stray showers in the state. Best chance in the far southeastern corner around the Racine, Kenosha area. But I do think a lot of us are going to have a dry morning commute. The chance of rain is low. However, we're going to see more activity already popping up during the late morning hours, it looks like, and I think activity will pick up even more in the afternoon. See those shades of orange and yellow showing up around Chippewa Falls around noon? That's the cold front that's going to be pushing in, but there is going to be some activity ahead of it, so I do want to mention around lunchtime the chance for showers, maybe a weak storm in southern Wisconsin as well. So let's jump ahead here in 2-hour increments. 2 o'clock, the activity trying to push to the south and east, at least the thunderstorm activity. Again, along the front is really our best opportunity at seeing some storms. So by 2 o'clock, probably past the peak of it for places like Chippewa Falls and more transitioning towards the Wausau area, probably Winona, La Crosse. Let's also talk about high temperatures today. You know, it's possible we may reach 80 degrees in Chippewa Falls before the cold front comes in, but seeing those temperatures in the 70s, that shows where that cold front has cleared. I do think most of us are going to top out in the mid-80s before the front comes in. For everyone, it is going to be breezy this afternoon with gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour. So let's jump ahead now to 4 o'clock. And this is probably the best chance of rain for places like Portage, Madison, as the front continues to push to the south and east. And we're just going to have to watch closely during the late afternoon, though the chance is low. If we're going to see a severe storm, this is when it's going to pop up during the warmest part of the day. As it moves across southeastern Wisconsin, could we see a storm or two become severe? I can't rule it out, but the chance is small. I think more than likely it's just going to be regular thunderstorms popping up, but just enough ingredients where we got to keep the chance in through the late afternoon. But I tell you what, probably by 6 o'clock, the front is going to be clear, and so the chance for any severe storms going away, pushing off to the east. That said, the rain chance not quite done yet. Notice even when we jump ahead to 9 o'clock in the evening, there's still some activity around, but we're talking at this point most likely showers, maybe a weak storm, but certainly no severe storms. And notice there's a lot of gaps showing up. So once we get past 6 o'clock, we're going to be seeing less and less activity. That said, I can't say it's going to be completely dry until about 1 a.m. tonight. That's when all of the activity on the backside of the front will be clear of us. So as far as the severe threat goes, it is limited to the southeastern corner state. Madison just barely included in the marginal risk. Other places included Lake Geneva, Racine, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Port Washington, on up to Sheboygan. Again, I do want to stress that the chance for severe storms is low late this afternoon, but it's not quite zero. So most likely it's just going to be regular thunderstorms, heavy rain, and lightning, but we're going to leave in the chance, the small chance, for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and perhaps some penny-size hail.